In this short tutorial, I will show you how to find your Facebook username. Your Facebook username is a unique identifier that allows others to easily find and connect with you on the platform. So make sure to watch this video until the very end to understand the tutorial properly. To get started, open up the Facebook mobile application and then tap on the menu button at the bottom right corner of the screen. After that, tap on the gear icon at the top right. Once you are on the Settings and Privacy page, you'll see the Account Center at the very top. Just tap on it. What you want to do next is tap Profiles. And then tap and select your Facebook profile. Now all you have to do next is tap Username. And you'll see the username associated with your Facebook account. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.